Let's walk you through the setup process for your new coffee maker. After unboxing your coffee maker, you will find these accessories inside the box. Wash these accessories. Dry them off. Open the swing-out filter basket. Next, place the filter holder, filter, and filter ring in order. Close the swing-out filter basket. Add clean water to the water tank up to the 10-cup fill mark. Place the dry coffee carafe onto the warming plate. Plug in the machine. Press the on-off button to start the machine. Select the cleaning mode and press the on-off button to begin the cleaning process. It will start cleaning the inner water lines. Now cleaning process is complete. Empty the carafe and repeat the above steps for 2 more cycles. Wipe the warming plate and the outside of the machine with a soft, damp cloth. Place the dry coffee carafe onto the warming plate. Now you're ready to start brewing your coffee.